I know people that are high profile success and they create a certain uniform for themselves. Some of you might know, like Steve Jobs, you know, he had the classic sweater that he wore with the jeans. He doesn't want to think and make decisions every day what he's going to wear. Same thing about eating. Have food pre-made and not have to think about it every day. Have your gym bag already packed. The less decisions, the more likely your habit is going to be successful, okay? And the less taxing on the brain. I'm finding right now in coaching more than I ever have, a very high level of decision fatigue. Very high level. And it causes a paralysis. So we really need to pay attention to that. So try to reduce the number of choices. Like I said, when I get a woman that's very tired, that's the first thing I work on. Let's get all of these daily decisions out. I'm going to give you a routine. Every breakfast, you're going to have this. Every lunch. I mean, you can vary the flavor of it or something. I'm not making their life boring, but they don't have to think about it. They go, oh, the morning is my protein shake. Okay, yeah, got it. Oh, the lunch is my, salad and whatever. Keep it really simple. Get rid of the decisions, okay? Another key tip is to plan your day the night before. First thing, when you sit down in the morning. My habit, I have a series of drinks that I drink all day that keep me, I have to be in high energy. You can't coach all day or teach or do the things and run low on energy. So I must conserve my energy. So I'm very careful what I'm eating, what I'm drinking. So I have an initial drink that I drink first thing in the morning. For me, it's Delta E and a collagen drink, Beauty Infusion. I drink that first thing in the morning. I do my prayers, I do my meditations, and then I go for my morning walk. I feed my dog. He's hungry, and then he wants to go for a walk. I take him for a walk. So I've got my spiritual practice. I've got my exercise. I've got fresh air. I fed myself. I make myself my second drink, like I'm sipping here, that I sip on all day. You're thinking about how can I conserve my energy? And how can I make things habitual so they become part of what I'm doing?